Have you ever wondered why ice melts at different rates depending on the temperature? Welcome to the fascinating world of chemical kinetics, the branch of chemistry that studies the speed of chemical reactions and the factors that influence this speed. Dive in with us as we explore the fundamental principles of chemical kinetics and demystify the complex concepts that govern the rate of reactions. Let's start with the basics. What is a chemical reaction? It's simply the process where substances, known as reactants, transform into different substances, known as products. Now, the speed at which these transformations occur is what we refer to as the rate of reaction. But what determines this speed? Enter the rate law, a mathematical expression that describes the relationship between the rate of a chemical reaction and the concentration of its reactants. The rate law often includes what we call a rate constant, and the order of reaction, which refers to how the rate of reaction responds to changes in reactant concentration. Another critical concept in chemical kinetics is the reaction mechanism, the step-by-step sequence of events that describes how a reaction occurs at a molecular level. These steps are not all created equal. Some occur more quickly, while others lag behind. The slowest step, known as the rate-determining step, is what ultimately controls the rate of the entire reaction. Let's not forget about the role of energy in chemical kinetics. Every chemical reaction involves a certain amount of energy. This energy can either be released in exothermic reactions or absorbed in endothermic reactions. The minimum amount of energy required to initiate a chemical reaction is known as the activation energy. This is the energy barrier that reactants must overcome to transform into products. Now, imagine a mountain. The reactants are at the bottom of the mountain, and the products are at the top. The activation energy is the energy required to climb to the top of the mountain. The height of the mountain determines how fast or slow the climbers, the reactants, can reach the top, the products. In a nutshell, chemical kinetics is the study of how fast chemical reactions occur and what factors affect their speed. It involves understanding the rate law, the reaction mechanism, and the role of energy in chemical reactions. In this journey, we've learned that the rate of reaction is determined by the concentration of reactants, the order of reaction, and the rate-determining step. We've also discovered that energy plays a crucial role in chemical reactions, with the activation energy serving as a barrier that reactants must overcome to become products. By mastering these principles, one can predict how fast a reaction will occur under different conditions, paving the way for countless applications in chemistry and related fields. So the next time you see ice melting or any chemical reaction happening, remember the intricate dance of molecules and energy that makes it all possible. And that, my friends, is the beauty of chemical kinetics.